The Maritime Research Center advances maritime knowledge through research, collaboration, and impact assessments, benefiting stakeholders with both short and long-term effects. Our research enhances maritime security, efficiency, and safety, informs policy making, and addresses security challenges, contributing to economic development. It also helps to build a narrative at national and international levels. We promote awareness through knowledge creation, fostering interdisciplinary collaboration in maritime research, and providing students with hands-on experience. We promote sustainable maritime practices, conservation, and awareness among coastal communities, focusing on shrimp and seaweed farming. By emphasizing best management practices, it supports livelihood diversification, reduces pressure on fisheries, and boosts the local economies. We promote dual farming practices combining shrimp and seaweed cultivation for a sustainable ecosystem and improve environmental conditions. These practices yield higher quality shrimp, providing farmers with stable income while being environmentally friendly. Our sustainable shipping practices and UDA minimizes acoustic habitat degradation, offering a replicable model for the global noise pollution management and socio-economic growth. We collaborate with government organizations, engaging officials as advisor and guest lecturers in webinars and conferences, garnering appreciation for its vision and mission. MRC employs diverse awareness strategies, including workshops, demonstration projects, and information dissemination via multiple channels. Through partnership and policy advocacy, it maximizes its positive impact on economic, social, environmental, and educational dimensions in the maritime sector. We are happy to announce our latest report, which we call the Social Impact Assessment Report, or the SIA report, where we have assessed the overall impact MRC has been able to create at various levels amongst the stakeholders. It's truly inspiring to witness the enthusiasm and recognition of the value that MRC brings to the underwater sector.